Today we are doing the unboxing of DJI Action 4 camera. So here we have the box arrived from Amazon. As you can see, we have the box itself, which contains the camera and accessories. Let me open it up for you and show you what all it contains. It's trying to find out. So yeah, let me remove the protective film from the box, and here you can see we have the box. Now removing the sticker, and here we have all the contents. The first is the camera itself, then we have accessories box. Here we have the DJI sticker, you can use it wherever you want. Then here we have the actual camera. It's all black in the color, and this is how it is. And coming to the box, we have one protective case, we have battery, this is the Type-C cable, then a screw to basically mount your camera. Yeah, this is the protective case which I was talking about, and this is the battery to be inserted into the camera, and all the multiple accessories which you can use to mount your camera in a helmet. You also get an extra protective cover for your camera lens. You can use it whenever you want it.